Hello D-Traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching the weekly link up with me, Kate Stihina. In this edition we are going to discuss recent developments of some major currency pairs. Besides, technical analyst Peter Yakimovic will help us forecast further dynamics of the popular trading instruments. This trading week, the euro bulls were setting the tone for the euro-dollar pair. The currency pair surged to a three-year high amid expectations that the European Central Bank is ready to reduce its massive monetary stimulus program. Hi Peter, do you think the euro-dollar pair is set for a steady bullish trend? From your viewpoint, how long will investors be interested in buying the euro?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, I'm expecting a bullish moment in the next period. The reason is because I found, according to a daily time frame, that there is a strong upward channel and the price is trading inside of this channel. Most recently, the price tested basically the previous resistance, which became support, and this is a very critical in my opinion. And that is the level around 1.1940. So the resistance became support, the price trading inside of the upward channel. And I have also placed a stochastic oscillator, and I found basically the oversold condition there. So my idea is absolutely watch for buying opportunities due to the bullish trend in the background on the short-term perspective. Now the major upward target is at the price of 1.2080, and this will be my advice for the first target. Anyway, the price breaks this level, then watch for new highs. Watch, for example, for round numbers like 1.100 and so on. So, but at the very very first target is 1.2080, and upward trend intact. So watch for buying opportunities.
Peter, how will traders change sentiment on the pound sterling?
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically what I found is very similar to the euro versus US dollar situation. So I found a rising channel according to a daily time frame, and most recently I basically found the testing of the Fibonacci retracement 38.2% at the price of 1.3455, and this is also the lower diagonal of the upward channel, which is basically a very good area to watch for example, for some reversal candle patterns, or some pin bars and so on, and then watch for potential buying opportunities because the trend is still bullish on this currency pair. Now the upward target, the major upward target on this currency pair is at the price of 1.3508, so watch for buying opportunities on the dips.
Meanwhile, amid robust demand for the yen, bulls caused a spike of the Japanese currency. The Bank of Japan suddenly announced a small cut to the regular bond purchases. The decision triggered speculations that the regulator could scale down the ultra-easy monetary policy. Peter, what trend do you foresee for the dollar-yen pair, bullish or bearish?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, basically what I found is the broken bearish pennant formation and also some kind of head and shoulders formation. And this is basically the duration of this formation is about 25-26 days. So we can declare this like more like a bearish pennant, and there is a valid breakout. So my advice is absolutely watch for selling opportunities, and the downward target is at the price of 110.30. This is a projection of this pennant, and the second downward target is also I said basically around 110, so 109.90. So again, broken bearish pennant in the background. Watch for selling opportunities on the USD versus Japanese yen.
Do you expect the Australian dollar to win favor with investors against its American counterpart?
On the Australian dollar, US dollar, I found basically according to a daily time frame, there is a strong upward pressure. There is a strong buying momentum on this currency pair. And most recently, basically, I found a high tide flag, which is a basically formation when we got a strong momentum. In this case, the bullish momentum, then this is a type of consolidation formation. So, and there is most recently the upward breakout of this flag, which makes a very good buying point on this currency pair. So watch for buying opportunities and major upward target is at a price of 0.8100.
Thank you, Peter, for your valuable trading recommendations. See you next Friday. You watched the weekly link up presented by InstaForex expert from Serbia, Peter Jakimovic, and me, Kate Stichina. Trade at a profit with InstaForex. Don't miss our next edition.